Hello everybody, my name is John and I'm gonna take you through SolidWorks for beginners until you reach a pro level. Now, when you open up SolidWorks, it either shows this way, and if you don't know how to navigate, don't be afraid. Let's get into it. You go here, you see files, file there, then you choose new. Now, these are the documents that are gonna appear. We got part, assembly, and drawing. Today we're gonna concentrate on part because we want to draw a 2D part and turn it to a 3D part. Select OK. Beautiful. This is our interface. Up here, these are our tools and these are toolboxes. Now, over this place here, we have planes. Planes are like canvas for where you lay your painting. Now, in this engineering software, planes is where you draw your 2D sketches. We have front plane, we have top plane, we have right plane. Now, if you select everything here, if you select the front plane, the top plane, and the right plane, this is what's gonna happen. You see there? That's how they look. Okay. For today, we're just gonna use sketch tab and features tab only. To sketch tab. Here on sketch tab, if you see, we have features over here. If you hover your mouse on these tools, it shows you what each tool does. Line tool, circle tool, spline, rectangle, 3-point arc, ellipse, text, straight slot, polygon. You see, and other more tools over these other places. But today we're just going to concentrate here. And we have something called smart dimensions. Smart dimensions is dimensioning your 2D. You see? Now, for the dimensions, I'm going to use millimeters. If you want to change your dimensions into maybe inches or something, you come down here. It has been labeled mmgs for me because I'm using millimeter. You click here and then there you see you're going to see centimeters, inches, meters, and millimeters. For me, I'll select mmgs. Now let's begin. I'm going to pick a plane. I'm going to pick top plane for my sketch. If you click it that way, you left click it, then here you click this for sketch. That's our plane over there. Beautiful canvas over there. I'm gonna take a circle, select the circle, come here. This is the origin point. Click over there, drag it, then click. Then I can press close dialog. And that's my beautiful circle. I want to smart dimension this. I want to give it coordinates. I want to give it dimensions. I click there, smart dimension. Then I'll give it 50 millimeter. Beautiful. Now, this is your circle. If you want to extrude it, you want to make it a 3D, you come over features. Here you'll find extruded boss, revolved boss, swept boss. These other features, we're gonna look at them later on in my channel. Now, I'll use extruded boss. And as you can see, it has begun taking shape into a 3D form. Here, the only thing you just have to know is direction and depth of how lengthy you want your 3D sketch to look like. Now, if you drop down this menu, see selections here. Most of them here, we're gonna look at them later on. I'm going to use mid-plane. For a mid-plane, see what it does there? It cuts the 2D into half, top and bottom. And here you increase your depth. I'm gonna put it to 40, then click OK. And here we have it. That's your first sketch from 2D to 3D for any beginner out there. Simple as that. Now, I want us to save this file. For saving, you come here, files, save as, or you can click Control S if you're in a PC, then you save your project. Now, I'll save it as part 4 with Johnny. Yes, save. Just like that, your first 3D sketch in SolidWorks comes to life. My name is Johnny. Thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, you can leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Thank you.